Alright, YouTube. It's another bag change time again. I used my Hoover PowerMax at work today. So, we're going to do a bag change in it. I've got some brand new bags. Once again, I can't find any genuine Hoover Type A bags, so I'm using some Type A Arm & Hammer bags until then. Alright, so let's get going on this. Nice full bag here. And yet all of this came out of a 2-bedroom house after they had just vacuumed. For some reason that tab keeps popping out. So, got my new bag here. No holes or tears, that's good. Let's give her a quick running here. There you go. I, of course, do hope y'all enjoyed it. So, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.